Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. I know a lot of us are really excited about Christmas and especially Christmas clearance. I know that a lot of couponers always have a super giving heart to give a lot, especially around Christmas. And how do you get such a large stockpile? Well, you shop after Christmas clearance. In this video, we're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stores, and I recommend for you to absolutely have a budget. And if you want to start using some Fetch and IBOTTA gift cards, so you're paying a lot less for some of these items, that's definitely the way to do it. Take an inventory of how large your family is, what you're going to be gifting in 2026. And if you might miss one of these, it's perfectly fine because there's going to be so many right after Christmas. And let's not forget, these are estimates on the dates. They can make them all 90 really quick, or they might wait a little bit to try to make more money selling stuff at 50 or 70% off. Every morning when I get the definitive information that one of these stores is at 75 or 90, I will be posting it on my Instagram. So if you want to go give me a follow there, I will have all the info, and I will be sharing all this information for the end of December right into January, because I know a lot of us love to shop Christmas clearance. Myself, top of the list of this because I love Christmas. Let's hop right into our favorite store, that is Walgreens. And sometimes candy is not part of the clearance cycle. It gets clearanced out when Christmas goes to, I think, 80%, which is really odd. But just remember that. But the general merch and a lot of the beauty stuff, gift sets, I know that's a huge thing. The day after Christmas, probably most of that stuff, with the exception of toys and candy, will be 50% off. I might be completely wrong, though. Let's not forget that. And then on January the 2nd, I'm estimating it's going to go 70. And then on the 5th, that's a Monday, I'm estimating that it'll go 80%. So often when it hits that 50 or 70, a lot of us will be like, I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait, I'm going to do the Kenny Rogers song. And then that Monday the 5th, it's on, because a lot of us will use Walgreens cash, register rewards, get these $50 hauls for next to nothing, or just with Walgreens cash, which is a really smart way to get a lot of Christmas clearance. So the next store that we have is Hobby Lobby, and this store is swift. They do it really quickly, and because they go 90 so like boom, 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 their stuff gets cleared very, very quickly, and they do have some really nice stuff. So right now, Hobby Lobby is 60% off. My prediction is Friday, January the 2nd, it's going to go 90. And that morning when it goes 90, whenever your store opens, get ready and go wait in line, because they do have some really cute things. I remember last year was the first year I actually spent some time in this store and really looked for some stuff, and I got this gorgeous haul for like under $100, and I think the value was 300 plus. Everything I needed for Christmas this year, and it really helped us out to do Christmas on the cheap cheap. And don't be shy to ask employees, like, is this part of Christmas, yes or no? They have to manually type everything in, so sometimes those lines are a little bit longer at Hobby Lobby, but some of the stuff that they have is really, really cute, and I do love that store for Christmas stuff. Now we have Walmart. Walmart's one of these stores that the dates are always fluctuating, but we're going by the last 2 years. I remember when I first started couponing, I remember sometimes on New Year's Day, the store going 90. Just, and I remember being like one of the only shoppers in the Christmas aisle and being like, because nobody was there on New Year's Day, but I was there. So here's the estimates. I think on Friday, December the 26th, it's going to go 50% off. And then Thursday, Jan 1st, it's going to go 75. And then the following Tuesday, January the 6th, it's going to go 90. And they love to pace those two dates out because that's how they get more sales, and they are a casino that does not like to lose. So this is on the last 3 years dates. I think it's going to be very similar to these dates. And something everybody absolutely loves is a little bit of Bath and Body Works. If you like their hand soaps, if you like their body washes, and of course my guiltiest pleasure, that is the candles. The semi-annual sale happens twice a year. I made a whole video dedicated to like all the information and lore. I will link it at the very end if you're a nerd like such as myself. On Friday, January the 26th, right till Sunday, January the 11th. This will be going on, and it's up to 75% off, especially if you want to stock up on candles or possibly hand soaps or lotions. This is definitely a sale to check out, and I'm sure that on Christmas they're going to put something like our semi-annual sale is coming out. They've already been mailing the 10 off 40 coupons, so this is exciting. Now we're going to talk about two hardware stores that include Lowe's and Home Depot. Home Depot currently has 75% off of all of their floor decor. So items that have been opened up and have been on display and on the floor, up to 75% off whatever you can find. And Lowe's is already at 75% off of everything in the store. So they really aggressively market their clearance like quick, which is just fantastic. This is a haul I did yesterday. So this started on Monday, December the 22nd. And some of these prices of the items, you might think, oh, it's a little bit too much. But I mean, I saved, I think, just under $400 for this. And I got 3 sets of those lights. So it's not just like one puny little set of lights, but lots of great stuff. I love blow molds, and those are really coming back. I mean, I think that was the style back in the 70s and 80s for Christmas. And I certainly got a bunch of those. And then the lights, very, very cheap. And we like to put colored lights outside of our house and on the tree. And it's the time to stock up on these lights at these prices because it's so cheap. So here's my predictions. As I said earlier, Lowe's is already at 75%. I think 90 will either hit the first week of January. I don't know what the date is. I've even seen it before in the past on New Year's Day or the day after New Year's Day for Lowe's. Home Depot is 50% right now, and I think it's that same week they'll hit 75% off January the 1st to 9th. I'm not sure when they hit 90. I'm more of a Lowe's shopper, so I'm actually more excited about their 90% off. But again, Instagram, I'll have that information for all the Home Depot shoppers out there. Okay, so now we're at Meyer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. Lots of Midwest shoppers follow the channel, so let's talk about their Christmas clearance. I think on Friday, December the 26th, day after Christmas, it's going to go 50. And then after New Year's on Friday, January the 2nd, it's going to go 70. And then the following Friday the 9th, it'll go 90, which it did last year. And remember at the beginning of the video, I'm like, if you have a Fetch or IBOTTA gift card, I think Meyer, you can get those gift cards with both of those apps. It's very easy to blow through $50 with the Christmas clearance at Meyer. So I would definitely, if you were going to buy a lot of stuff, you know, Burt's Bees, Scrub Daddy, yeah, I would definitely get a gift card rocking and rolling for this one. The final store that we have is Dollar General, and they do things a little bit differently. Their Christmas will go 50, 70, and then it'll stay 70 for a couple weeks. And then the third week of January, all remaining Christmas merchandise goes down to a quarter, and then 10 cents, and then a penny the following consecutive weeks. So last year I did snap this picture. It was on the Tuesday, the 21st. So that was the date, and it went 25, 10, and then a penny. Usually that quarter sale, things just fly out of the store. There's not really much left for the 10 cent or penny event. Lots of air care, magic, you know, it's just fantastic. So these are the predicted dates for this year because that was the last year I was showing you. We're looking at Tuesday, January the 20th. It's going to go a quarter. And then the following Tuesday, the 27th, it's going to go 10 cents. And then the following Tuesday, February the 3rd, a penny. If there's anything left in your store, even if you're spending like $20, you can get 80 items. This is definitely the time to stock up, especially if you like Christmas air care or certain items, gift wrap. I mean, the Dollar General pretty much has everything covered, and it's fantastic. This is my last year's video. I will link it at the very end if you guys want to check it out, just to show you the different items you can grab. And yes, the sale is towards the end of January, but there's still a lot of Christmas magic to be found at the Dollar General. And I'm not buying it at 50 or 75 or 70. I'm only buying it for a quarter, so I'm most excited for this one. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.